What's up, everyone? Mandy Sachs here, and welcome to an all new episode on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for joining. This is quite a milestone right now because I have a whole new look, as you guys have seen on Friday Night SmackDown. This is the new Mandy. I just wanted to thank all of you for all the continuous love and support you guys have been showing throughout all social media channels, and you know, for you guys, it's been so amazing for myself to hear from you guys all the support and how you know, the compliments I've been getting about my new look and my new hair. And you know, that helps a lot because obviously going from having long hair your entire life to short hair is quite the change, and doing it unwillingly as well. But I have to say I love it. It's so much less maintenance. It's so much healthier. I couldn't be happier. I love it. I think it's a whole new look. I think it's great to switch it up with, you know, styles, and I'm just really excited. But I wanted to thank you all for helping me become so comfortable in, you know, my new look. And obviously I didn't know what to expect when I came out last week. And yeah, it's really exciting. But I wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys a quick little tutorial about how I get my makeup done in less than 10 minutes. These are little great tips just to help if you're just in a rush or you just want to do like a natural quick look just because you're going out to dinner or you don't want to spend too much time doing your makeup. So first and foremost, I have no makeup on right now. This is my bare skin. I want to show you guys before I put my makeup on. Obviously, I use my skincare regimen coming soon, Amarose. This will be launching within the next couple months. I'm really excited. It's been a long journey, but you guys will be really happy with these products because we've put a lot of work into these products and making sure they are the best. So it's worth the wait. First, I spray a little bit of my rose toner. This is really refreshing and amazing, especially in this summer heat in Florida. Even just like when you're outside, just gives a nice little refreshing glow. Then I use my lifting serum, and this is like an eyedropper. Running low on this one. But this I love. This is before you moisturize. Feels so smooth on my skin. Then we have my moisturizer, which I use religiously. I usually use this twice a day, twice a week, damn. Yeah, so now we are ready to do a quick makeup look. Okay, before I put my foundation on, I will use this pore filler from NYX. Just helps the makeup sit a little bit better onto your pores, less of a cakey feeling. And like I said, this is a really quick makeup tutorial to show you guys that you don't have to spend hours doing your makeup, because we all know we ain't got time for that. My foundation, and I have done another video with Lana, actually, from WWE, about my products and what I use more in detail. You guys can go check that out. Right now I'm not really doing that because I just want to show you guys how quick I can get a cute face of makeup on. Always spray my brushes though. So I'm actually doing a promotional video, which I can't wait to share with you guys. I'll be sharing this soon. I'm doing this today. So this is why I need a little quick makeup job. And it's nothing fancy. I tend to like to do my makeup on my own, to be honest, because I know what I like, I know what looks good. And yeah. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and in the comment section, let me know what you'd like to see more of. Also, let me know what you think of my new look and what you think I should do to that brat, Sonia Deville. Don't worry, I have some plans up my sleeve. Do a little contouring. I like to use the Anastasia powder. Basically, like I said, this is just really quick. Actually, first and foremost, I'm going to put my liquid concealer on first, my Tarte, and then I will put my powder. Like I said, quick and easy. Just getting my highlight spots. I will use my beauty blender to blend that in. Okay, after that's blended, I will take my powder contour kit and use a bronzer just on my cheekbones. Like I said, guys, this isn't like a perfect makeup job, but it gets the job done quick and easy. I will use a smaller brush to get my nose, something like this. And guys, I have eyelash extensions on right now, so that obviously makes my makeup job even easier because I don't have to put lashes on, which I love. I just wake up with these bad boys, don't have to do much. So much easier. Always get the neck. Then I will go over with a little powder highlighter. And for today, I'm going to do like a neutral eye, maybe add a little plum color in there just to bring out my green eyes. I would probably use this neutral color for that. As you can see, very natural for this look I'm going for. I mean, not bad. I just have to put some lip liner on. I'm gonna draw on my eyebrows a tiny bit. I did just get them ombre'd, so they don't really need much. The tad. Okay, we are almost done. I'm adding a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I will go add my setting powder. And we are just about finito. And guys, stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot more being said with this new look and how I feel. You know, my whole life I've been judged by the way I look. And I'm gonna go into a lot more detail with that. Like I said, I want this to be a quick video. I want you guys to check out how I do my makeup really fast, but there's a lot to be said. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate all the love and support. I see all your messages. I can't thank you all enough for being there and supporting me. Okay, setting powder, and we are done. Sometimes I add a little highlighter, but it depends. Sometimes on camera, it comes up too much, so it all depends. So I have to add my lip, which is downstairs. I'm just gonna put a little lip liner on. I have Aquaphor on my lips right now, which I love. And this is it. I mean, that was so fast, quick and easy. The hair is so different, trying to get used to it, but I love it. Also, I want to show you guys these really cute boyfriend jeans from Fashion Nova. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna have to switch the camera this way. Like, how cute are these? I'm obsessed. So cute. With the rips. Oof, they have the cutest ones. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there'll be plenty of more videos. I love you all. This was, again, my quick under 10-minute makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go over here in this light. And yeah. Love you guys. Mwah.